Okay, this is a 52-inch. I don't even know what this fan is. It's, gosh, it's almost like a Canadian fan with the 3 pull chains. One being for reversing it, but anyway, yeah, I don't know what it is. Looks like a Walmart fan or Litex, I don't know. But if you guys know what it is, please let me know. I would appreciate it. So, here's the light. Looks a little newer than the other fans. Like maybe this was put in later on after my dad built the place. I don't know. Maybe not. Here's low. Okay. The humming noise. It's nothing too bad though. This is installed in the one of the downstairs bedrooms. I don't know if I mentioned that, but yeah. Here's high. That pushes a pretty good breeze. Of course, this is a small room, so. All right, that's it. Hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.